In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. If your searches keep opening with DuckDuckGo and you'd rather use Google, I'll walk you through switching your default search and then removing DuckDuckGo from Chrome's search engine list. This is quick, and the changes apply to the address bar and the new tab page. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular Chrome window and signed into the profile where you want this change to apply, especially if you use multiple profiles or sync across devices. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. This opens the main menu where you can adjust your browser settings. From that menu, choose Settings. Once Settings opens, find and select Search Engine in the left sidebar. If your layout looks a little different, you can also use the search box at the top of the settings page and type Search Engine to jump to the same place. In the Search Engine section, you'll see the option that controls which search engine is used in the address bar. Click Change to open the list of available search engines. Select Google and set it as the default. This step matters because Chrome won't let you delete the search engine that's currently set as default. By setting Google first, you unlock the option to remove DuckDuckGo. Next, on that same page, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a detailed list of search engines saved in Chrome. You'll see categories like default search engines and site search. Scroll through the list and locate DuckDuckGo. When you find it, click the three dots to the right of DuckDuckGo and choose Delete. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. That removes DuckDuckGo from your saved search engines, so it won't be used or reselected accidentally. A few quick notes to help things go smoothly. If the delete option is grayed out, double-check that DuckDuckGo isn't still set as the default. Switching the default to Google first resolves that. If you see DuckDuckGo listed under Site Search, the same three dots menu next to it lets you remove it there as well. And if an extension keeps changing your search engine, you may need to review your extensions later to prevent it from re-adding DuckDuckGo. That's it. With Google set as your default and DuckDuckGo removed from the list, Chrome will now use Google for your searches going forward.